this is what it looks like. I really like the hair. You guys know I've been doing a lot of short, oh, sorry. Okay, so now that the hair is all styled, this is what it looks like. This was so easy to style. I did have to cut a little bit of layers into the hair, which I am not good at doing, but I think I did a pretty decent job. By the way, do not laugh at my kitchen scissors that I'm using to cut my hair. I can't find my hair scissors anywhere. But look at this hairline, you guys. So when I tell you I didn't pluck, I did not pluck. Like when I first cut the hair, I was like, this hairline looks really thin. Like I was like, okay. But then upon actually like looking at it, bleaching the knots, I was like, this is actually a pre-plucked hairline. Like I didn't do anything, y'all. I just made some baby hair. That's it. So, you know, I have this installed using the Bold Hold cream or whatever. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. But yeah, I really am enjoying the hair. It's nice and soft. If you didn't hear, like I said, it's from DYHAIR777. They make not only bundles and closures and frontals, but they also make lace wigs, full lace wigs, lace front wigs, all that jazz. The hair on this is a Brazilian straight. This is a 150% density. It's the perfect density, especially for like a shorter style in my personal opinion. And the hair is super soft, super movable. It's very airy. Like it's, I don't know how to explain it. It's very silky, I guess. Like I really like the hair. It styles really nicely. And when I tell you guys this is an easy freaking like easy bob, easy. It comes in a middle part, but with a bob, I prefer like a deep bang and like the tuck. Like that's just kind of like how I like to wear a bob. So that's how I'm wearing mine. But as you guys can see, it lays super flat to my head. It fit, the wig construction fit great. The lace is not too dark, you guys. I did not put any powder on this lace. As you can tell, when I don't put powder on lace, like when lace is actually my color, it looks so much better. So yeah, you guys can tell. So anywho, if you guys get one of these wigs, it's probably gonna be the easiest thing you ever do. The only thing is the wig does not come with like a wig cap or combs or anything like that. It literally just comes with your wig. They send you a pair of eyelashes and then a hair care guide. The construction of the wig, it has an adjustable strap in the back. It has 1, 2, and 3 combs in the, or wait. Yeah, 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back. So you have all of your, you know, securities on the wig to be able to secure it. Of course, you guys know I glue mine down just because I like to wear mine for a couple of days at a time. And I can't be having my wig going nowhere. So y'all know how that goes. So DYHAIR777 did that as far as I'm concerned. This is an amazing wig. I'm extremely pleased with it. I was kind of nervous just because I haven't seen many reviews from them on wigs. I've seen hair reviews, but not really wigs. So to go get a wig installed was like, ugh. I mean, like to get this wig and install it myself, like I think I did a pretty bomb-ass job and the hair looks great. So yeah, I haven't got any tangling or shedding. I've been wearing this wig all day. I just styled it this way. I just had it in a ponytail before. Like you guys seen, I'll have a video on this makeup and you'll see how my hair was. That's how I've been wearing it all day. But I'm about to go out, so I was like, let me style, you know, let me style my wig. I might put some gel over here just to kind of hold this back behind my ear all night long. But yeah, I like some volume. That's why I keep like zhuzhing it. So anywho, I think that's all the info I need to give you guys on this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to check out DYHAIR777, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you so much.